Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is a 50th anniversary of the Hartford Boat Show, which is now in the Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel. I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to take you through a 195 Sportfish Scout. The Scouts are built down in South Carolina. This boat is equipped with the 150 Mercury 4-stroke. It's a great boat for the lakes, the rivers, the ocean. It's a very universal boat. Plenty of seating in the stern. We do have a ski bar. As we come up to the console here, this boat's equipped with a Simrad GPS chart plotter fish finder and also a Fusion stereo. Beautiful fit and finish on the Scouts. As we come around to the bow, you see this beautiful bow cushion, anchor well, pop-up cleats, grab rails, cup holders, and also a beautiful Yeti cooler with a cushion on top. For more information on the 195 Sportfish Scout, please call Keith Abel from MarineMax at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.